The silent wealth killer no one talks about. Everyone wants to build wealth. We invest, save, budget, and hustle. But there's one silent killer that's quietly draining your bank account, sabotaging your financial future, and keeping you stuck in a cycle of struggle. And the worst part, almost nobody talks about it. Today, we're exposing the silent wealth killer and, more importantly, how you can escape its trap. Let's get into it. The silent wealth killer no one talks about. Part 1. What is this wealth killer? So, what is this hidden threat? It's called lifestyle creep, also known as lifestyle inflation. It happens when your income increases, and instead of saving or investing the extra money, you automatically increase your spending to match. Example gives immediately upgrades their car, their home, their wardrobe, and starts eating at expensive restaurants. The result? You're making more money, but feeling just as broke, sometimes even worse off than before. Sound familiar? Part 2. Why lifestyle creep is so dangerous. Here's why lifestyle creep is dangerous. 1. It prevents true wealth building. Instead of growing your savings or investments, you're just upgrading your expenses. 2. It locks you into financial stress. More expenses mean more financial obligations, which means you need that higher income just to sustain your lifestyle. 3. It steals your freedom. The more you inflate your lifestyle, the harder it is to take risks, switch careers, or retire early. Example: a person upgrading their lifestyle gives later stuck in a job they hate just to afford it. Part 3. Signs you're trapped in lifestyle creep. Think you might be a victim of lifestyle creep? Here are some red flags. 1. You make more money, but don't feel richer. 2. You're spending more on nice-to-haves than before. 3. You feel like you need your current salary to survive. 4. You've increased your fixed expenses, car payment, rent, subscriptions, etc. with every raise. 5. You struggle to save or invest, even with a higher income. Part 4. How to break free from lifestyle creep. Now that we've identified the problem, here's how you fight back. 1. Set a savings percentage. Instead of just saving what's left, commit to saving at least 30 to 50% of any income increase. 2. Avoid automatic lifestyle upgrades. Just because you got a raise doesn't mean you need a new car, bigger house, or luxury vacation. 3. Live below your means, even when you don't have to. The wealthiest people maintain a modest lifestyle even as their income grows. 4. Automate your investments. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts so you pay yourself first. 5. Redefine what rich means. True wealth isn't about spending more. It's about having more freedom. Example: a person getting a raise gives instead of upgrading their life, they invest it and build financial security. Conclusion: lifestyle creep is sneaky, but once you see it for what it is, you can stop it in its tracks. Remember, the goal isn't just to make more money, it's to build real wealth and financial freedom. So, what's your next move? Are you going to let lifestyle creep control you, or are you going to take charge of your future? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.